Hi guys! It's Jackie and Rachel! And now we will introduce to you the members of White Table! Okay, Miss Universe 2025. Its your name is?
Maria Atisa Baldado.
Diba guys, in character, yun na guys siya nga name. Ang Baldato.
Hi.
Please tell us your name, age, where do you live, and
I'm
your
30
hobbies.
years of young age, 30.
Where do you live and what's your FB account?
You can search Ann Curtis in Facebook.
Alright. Alright, okay. Next, let's go outside, guys. Go outside. So here guys we have Kim. We have Kim. And we're gonna interview her. By the way, this is our school. Everyone, we will tour you na lang sa one nga room. So we have two doors. One for the entrance, one for the exit. And we will enter now. Before we enter, gali, so this is our beautiful Miss Char. And we're 11 boys and 16 girls. It's our schedule. Yes. And we are from grade 12, Darwin. Yes. And wala lang. Ay guys, so from grade 11 tani sa kay room ni sa una sa Hodgkin room namon kag ang amon na title is Best in Krame. Okay, let's enter our room. Yes, so this is our here room. You have the board with the reviews of biology. Yes, we have here our talks and all. And also, if you have, this is my sleeper. If you have something ay tagon, dire sa kilid. So guys, next we have our guba. Nagkisa nga electric fan. Kalawa na pala guys, oh. Kasi may mga ma-sponsor na sa mga electric fan na. Kasi, pero kung aircon, okay, good. Why not? So we have here our white sable and our TV. Oh, yes. And we have Miss Go.